Santiago, and I am turning 32 years old this year, and I am a first-time mom. And what I love about the Shadrachs collection, it is very reliable, and it's the most comfortable wrap that you could ever wear. That's all. Thank
As a first and full-time mom, I wasn't fully aware of the discomforts a baby goes through during its first few months outside the womb. Teething, mental and physical growth spurts, as well as separation anxiety. The safest place for them is to be very close to the mother's body as much as possible. What I love about Shadrach's collection is their carriers are very snug and they adjust very well to the body, especially my body frame. And their carriers are locally made, beautiful colors. It's everything you want in one wrap.
Hi, I'm Angel Ascano, and Shadrach's collection is great because it listens to parents, particularly mothers, and it makes products based on their taste and needs. And as a stay-at-home mom, it makes life at home and life with kids a little bit easier.
What I love about Shadrach's collection is that they never compromise the quality of their products. They have these intricate designs in each of the items they release. And we have established a mother and son bonding with the use of baby wearing.
Hi, I'm Minis Anraya. What I love about Shadrach's collection is that yung quality ng hand-woven wrap niya is sobrang high quality, malambot, and yung sleeping dust niya is so powerful. And I recommend it to all moms talaga na nag-struggle na walang helper.
Po si Ana Patricia Rodriguez Carranza, Mama Pat. So, what do I love about Shadrach's collection? Actually, yung baby wearing para sa amin, isa siya sa pangangailangan namin sa araw-araw. Hindi siya lang, parang gusto lang namin. Kasi wala kaming yaya, lagi namin kasama yung kids. Lagi ko kasama yung kids sa work at school. So, kailangan ko ng tested na carrier wrap or ringsling. Kasi kung hindi, delikado. Siyempre, pag nagko-commute, baka mahulog or something, ganyan. So, para sa akin, maganda yung Shadrach's collection kasi bukod sa safe nga, hindi siya mainit dahil lagi kami nagko-commute. Tapos, bagay sa suot. Tsaka, pinopromote natin yung mga gawang Pilipino.